Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank without a website. And we're going to be using free traffic methods as well. So I'm going to give you all the different ideas of how to do this, okay? Now stick around to the whole video because in the end I'm going to give you some super tips, okay, to actually do affiliate marketing correctly. Okay, doing affiliate marketing without a website is really for those who are fly-by-night affiliate marketers, and for those who are more serious and want to make the big bucks for affiliate marketing, stick around to the end. Okay, so let's get to it. How do we do Clickbank without a website? So this is my website, but you don't want to do it without a website. All right, so you're at Clickbank. So the first thing, of course, you want to do is go to Affiliate Marketplace. Okay, Affiliate Marketplace is where you're going to find all the affiliate products that you can promote. And you want to pick evergreen niches, meaning there are basically 3 niches that you should really go into because you can always make money in those niches, and that is money, diets, and love relationships. Okay, let's look into health and fitness. So what you want to do at first is go through you want to sort it by gravity. Gravity shows you this little number GRAV here. This shows you what is selling in the last 3 months or the last month. It's very recent sales. It tells you the higher this number is, the better selling it is. This tells you there are people making money from this and that the product is selling. So you want to have your results sorted by gravity, and then you want to pick basically the top ones because those are the ones that are really selling. Before you promote anything, of course, you need to find out about these products. You want to make sure that the products here are actually legit products and that you're going to be recommending something of value. You don't want to go and promote products that are not very good or low quality because it will affect your brand. Let's say this is a good product, flat belly fix. Okay, I don't know it because I'm not in this niche, but if you're going into this niche and you're going to be promoting any products, you need to do your research. Okay, so what you're going to do is all you need to do is promote, and of course you gotta sign in. So first you gotta sign in. You gotta set up your account. You set up your account with Clickbank. It's very easy. You just gotta put in your information, and there's no approval process, so you're gonna get your account right away. So once you get so let's say here, and let's say whatever, I can't remember what my nickname was, but let's just put Littlemama. I don't know if it's gonna work. Tracking ID. You can use this. You use tracking ID so that you know where your sales are coming from. So if this link is going to be promoted on a certain platform, you could put the name of that platform. So when somebody clicks on it, you know it's from this platform. Okay, and then you just click this. You generate the hot links. You generate the hot links by just clicking this button, and this is basically your affiliate link. It's just another name for affiliate link. Clickbank just uses their own term for some reason, so they call it hot links. So you can see the link is pretty ugly. So what you want to do is just click this link, and you want to take this to bit.ly or some kind of other link shrinker, so that you can have a nice looking link to promote with. So you paste that there and see, look, you got a nice short link. So you could use this link now to promote elsewhere. So the first thing that I'm going to show, so now that you have product, now you need visitors to your links. You need to find out how you're going to get traffic, and the #1 place to do that is on Quora at the moment. If you don't have a website, this is where you can go to answer people's questions. If the product that you're promoting is flat belly fix, then obviously people are going to be on here asking about how to get a flat belly. See, which is the easiest, what is the easiest way to get flat Belly, so you can answer people's questions. This one has 69 answers, 78 answers already. And when you're answering these questions, you can then put your bit.ly link there and tell them this is the solution that has been working for you. If you have tried that product and it has worked for you, please do not lie about this. You want to be honest with everything that you're doing with affiliate marketing. You're not just getting a sale. Part of affiliate marketing, how you can earn a lot of money with affiliate marketing, is actually providing value. And so that is what you're trying to do here on Quora, is that you're going to provide value so that people can actually trust you. So if you're providing value, then they're more likely to actually click on your affiliate link, right? So when you can do that, when you are providing real value to these people, then they may be more prone to click on your link that you're providing. And initially, you may not even want to use your link on these comment or these forums, because you may not be allowed to spam your links too often. So you need to be very careful with just spamming links all over the internet, okay? So you need to maybe try some, answer some without links and do some with links. But this is going to take time, okay? This is going to build up in time. The other way that you can also use is go on Google and just search for how to get a flat belly. So you do a search on Google to find how to get a flat belly, and what you're trying to look for is blogs that allow comments. So I've opened a few of these and found that this one has a comment section, and people are doing this exact method that I was just telling you. You see here, June 10th, 2019, this controversial method can make you lean fast, and it's a bit.ly link. And I'm pretty sure this bit.ly link goes to a Clickbank offer. Let's check it out. Yes, it is a, see, Clickbank. Down on the left corner here, it says Clickbank. This is a Clickbank product, so it's the same. I can see the hot link, and it is the same method, guys. Okay, this is exactly what I'm talking about. But these guys here that just leave one sentence and just a link, I don't think the traffic from this is going to get you very much. But if you provide a little bit more text, a little bit more value, a little bit more about, like this one here, May 23rd, 22nd, this one gives you a little bit more information about, you know, how to get a flat stomach. And then this person still has a link here, so you can do that right there, okay? This is exactly what these people are doing right here. And then what you're going to do is that once you find this website, then you go on bookmark it, and you could do this with see how many posts you can. Just search on their site about flat bellies or flat stomach, and then you can do that. And then you can keep this and come on this website all the time, or you can just go to Google Alerts and just set up alert for yourself. Okay, so you go to Google, search Google Alerts flat belly, and you could create that alert or whatever keyword that you want to use, and it will email you every time any kind of news or blog that it's going to come up with those terms. It's going to give it to you, and you can tell it to email you once a day or less, just once a week or whatever it may be, how often you want to do it. And so that's how you would do it this way for free. And besides Quora.com, there are many other online forums, and you can even search on Google. You can search like online forums to lose weight or health and fitness online forums. You could just search like that, and you could find even more targeted, highly targeted traffic for your niche for getting a flat stomach if you're going to use that offer. So that is definitely one way of doing it, but it is, as you can see, it is a lot of work that you are going to all over the place. So that's what happens though when you don't have a website. You go all over the place, and you just pretty much kind of spread your links all over the internet to see where is it going to catch. So this way is really not the best way, okay? The best way to do affiliate marketing is really providing value at a certain place. Like, you want to build yourself a brand, you know, you want to be recognized for something, okay? You want to be the go-to person for your niche. You want to be known online that you're a trustworthy person and that you can provide them with some value of how to do something so they can trust you about what you tell them, okay? If you're really serious about learning affiliate marketing, I really suggest that you joining a proper training program like I have to learn how to do affiliate marketing right so that you can do this long term, make bigger money, and be more consistent and make a real life-changing income. So if you want to do that, please check out the first link in my video description and you will get to a free video that it will explain to you about the program and how you could get started for making money in affiliate marketing the proper way to build this online business and make big money. All right, guys, I hope you found this video valuable today. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I hope you'll make big money soon. All right, check you later. Bye.